In this video, we will see with open in file handling. So why in this video we will see why we use with open. So let's check it out why we use with open while file handling. So as you know that if we open a file, we have to close the file. Otherwise, it will continue to use the memory. If we forget to close the file, it will going to use the memory. So to get rid of this, to remember that I have to close the file after opening the file, we use with open block. So like this we use with open the file in with block. So with open and then opening a file intro.txt. I want to open this file as write mode. So it is actually default. So I am using write and plus read and R plus means reading and writing both. With open as F means I open the file and assign it to F in with block. So you understood like this. So in this we do not have to care about it is closing or not. So just now it has a now have it open the file in read mode. So just check this out. What it has read content is equal to f dot read read. It will read all the content and all the content will be assigned to content. Now just read the file and then execute it and go go beyond and then outside with outside with you just check what is content. So so here you can see after going to outside the with block, it will automatically close the file. It will take care about opening and closing the file. With block which take care about opening and closing the file. In this case we do not have to care about opening and then closing the file. If we forget to close the file, it will be more expensive to computationally expensive our program will become. So just use with just open the file in with block and perform the operation and get out of the block. It will automatically close the file. So this is the content. Now after if you want to see if it closed or not, so f dot closed, we have keyword to check it is closed or not. So it is not callable actually. So it is closed. So yes, it is closed. Who closed this file? This closed this with closed this file. It take care about opening and closing the file. Without closing the file, it has closed the file. So this is how with open block works. So if we want to read, so it is closed, so we cannot read. So just check this out. Again, open this file and again I will execute this. Now I will write because I open this file in read and write mode. It will able to write all as well. So I am writing multi-line comment, multi-line string hello how and then enter are you and then enter Google call me. This is I want to write. Now check this out. Content is first this and we will check this out. So now it has closed. Now check this out what is the content will be of intro.txt. So now you can see hello, yeah, how are you? Because I use write operation after pointer is here and before this before writing our file like this and I after reading the file here you can see in our program after reading the file this is after reading the file our content will be here and it will start writing from here. So it what it right, this is written here. So this is how we can open a file in read and write mode also. So generally we use with mostly in most cases, in every cases you can say we open a file with block. So now I think you understood what is why we use with block while handling a file. So in next video we will see opening more operations in details. So thanks for watching.